going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Caesar, and we finally got the cordless Masters limited edition gold one. So super excited. I want to know what it contains inside. Most importantly, I want to know if it's going to be super loud. So let's unbox it together, guys, and let's find out if this clipper is loud or if it's the same.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there you go. Hopefully it's not like those iPhones and it just slides out. When you slide out the sleeve, the sleeve's gonna be over here. Now, this is how it looks like right here. Let's open it up on the top. And there she is, right there. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Wow, it is really of a dark gold. My first impression so far. It's kind of dirty, like hella dirty. But I mean, these things, when you have gold like this, it's gonna get stained so easily. That's the only problem. But so far, this thing looks damn gorgeous. The gold, I feel like it's a little bit on the darker side, I feel like, compared to like the gold that we've been seeing often, but it's not bad. This is a beautiful clipper regardless, you know. Levers gold, the blades gold. It does come with the original but not fade blade, it's a taper blade. That's gold plated as well. Its screws are gold. They could have made this gold, but I mean, here's a quick little 360 view on it. If you guys look at the box right here, it's more of like the gold that we're kind of used to seeing on the market right now. And then this one's a little slightly darker. I feel like it's over gold. I don't know how I could explain it, because there's that nice gold on the box, and then you get this like really like dark gold. I don't know how to explain it, because if you look at other stuff, like just to compare it, the gold is different, a little bit different, you know. Like this would be, I guess, a good gold, passable gold. Not too crazy, not too dark, not too light. Looks pretty good. And then this one is, can you guys see the difference? I mean, to each and their own at the end of the day, but that's just what we're used to, I'm assuming. This is just like a darker gold. It's just, I don't know if you can really tell from the camera. You can. It's like 2-3 shades darker. This is the original gold, I guess, everybody has. And then this is like the super orangey gold, right? It's kind of like hard to explain. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Let me show you guys the rest of the stuff that comes with this bad boy right here. You guys already saw how it looks like. The whole body. It's a beauty though. Don't get me wrong, guys. It's a beauty. Obviously it comes with its blade protector. This could have been gold too. That would have been dope. Or something cooler. Take that out. There's nothing in here. Assuming the charging stand for its charger, same as like, you know, slimline Andis style. There you guys go. This is the charger, same as the regular Masters and slimline. We got its warranty in here. Obviously you guys will need that. I would keep that. So it does come with guards now. Though the other Masters did not come with any of that, but it does come with them now. And let's see, obviously it's the oil. All clippers come with that. It's pretty standard. These are the guards it comes with, and like I told you guys in the other video, it's not the Andis double magnetic guards that we're all used to, but it's these instead. Let me know what you guys think about it. These, I personally hardly see anybody use these style, but I mean, to each and their own. There's guards for everybody out there, so let me know what you guys think about these. I don't use it. I've never used them. I've only used the purple double magnetic guards. So that's cool though how they come with guards now. The 0, you know, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, one thing that they did add, guys, as you guys can see down there, I believe this is like a cam follower. for the Andis Masters, this is what you put on your blade. The rotary machine spins like this when you turn it on. That's what makes this move like this. They provided an extra one, and I'm assuming that's just in case if your clipper does tend to get loud for whatever reason. If you swap this out on the Masters, I'm sure it'll be a lot better. This is a necessity, and hopefully, you know, this is supposed to be the improved version. This is what Andis had said about these, that these are the more improved version. So hopefully they stay quiet, or at least the same throughout your haircuts, you know, throughout months to come. And the last thing should be the charging stand. I think this is pretty damn badass, guys, to be honest. I think this goes pretty damn hard. You guys can see that shiny gold emblem. I think that's pretty badass. I dig this a lot. That's freaking badass. So I could just go like this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth now. So let's turn these clippers on and see if they are loud or not. Let's do this, guys. Let's be rebels. Ain't nobody reads instructions nowadays anyways, right? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here is a quick little sound test. Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. You guys can still hear me, right? It's not too loud. It's not bad. It sounds pretty smooth. I mean, I know a lot of you guys are used to the lawnmower style, but it sounds really good. I'm not gonna lie, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't sound bad. Now, if they were to keep this same noise level throughout time, months, years, whatever you guys want to say, and I think it'd be perfect. Because I mean, obviously it's a rotary clipper, so it's going to be somewhat loud, but you know, anything louder than this would be crazy. And now I'm going to show you guys what my other clipper sounds like compared to this one. And my other clipper is fairly new as well, a couple months just cutting with it. So yeah, guys, mines are crazy loud. So these definitely sound a lot smoother. So I mean, I feel like all Masters sound like that when you first get them. So I'm going to be using these for a couple of haircuts, and I'll give you guys another review probably a couple weeks from now, a couple months from now. And then we'll do another sound test on these bad boys, and hopefully, you know, it stays the same. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys like them? Are you guys gonna cop these? Or what do you guys think? I know you guys on the last video have spoken your opinions about it, but I want to know what you guys think, and let me know in the comment section. I think these clippers are gorgeous, to be honest. They are pretty expensive. They're like around, you'll find them anywhere in the 400 range. And I assume if obviously everything goes right, and them being limited edition, their price should go a little bit higher with time to come, like any limited edition thing. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.